Claude Haiku 4.5 and Sonnet 4.5 are both being sold as coding and agentic AI models. But here is the question nobody at Anthropic's marketing department wants you to ask. If Haiku is supposedly almost as good, why does Sonnet still exist? On paper, Haiku 4.5 is ridiculous. Anthropic claims it delivers coding performance close to Sonnet at roughly one-third the cost and more than twice the speed. In some agentic evaluations, it reportedly reaches around 90% of Sonnet 4.5's coding performance while costing dramatically less. That's the kind of math that makes finance departments cry tears of joy. Imagine hiring an intern who works nearly as well as your senior engineer, but only asks for pizza instead of a salary. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Because Sonnet 4.5 is still Anthropic's flagship coding model, the company openly describes it as its best coding model designed for production-ready applications, complex planning, long reasoning chains, and serious agent workflows. In other words, Haiku can build the shade, Sonnet can build the entire neighborhood without accidentally placing a bathroom inside the garage. The real-world feedback gets interesting. Reddit users consistently praise Haiku's speed and cost efficiency, especially for pair programming, code reviews, rapid prototyping, and multi-agent systems. Several developers reported getting far more work done before hitting usage limits. But many of the same users admit they switch back to Sonnet when projects become complicated or when Haiku starts confidentally driving toward the wrong solution like a GPS possessed by a demon. Then there is the criticism. Some independent testers argue Haiku's benchmark performance doesn't always translate into equally strong real-world coding results. A few reviewers found agent workflows less reliable than the benchmarks suggested, particularly on larger development tasks. That doesn't make Haiku bad. It just means benchmarks and reality are still distant cousins who only meet during holidays. So, which one wins? If you are building side projects, automations, code reviews, prototypes, and agent swarms, then Haiku 4.5 is the value champion. If you are shipping production software, managing large code bases, or building agents that absolutely cannot afford creative mistakes, then Sonnet 4.5 still earns its premium. This is my final verdict then. Haiku 4.5 wins on speed and price. Sonnet 4.5 wins on intelligence and reliability. And the smartest developers aren't choosing one. They are using Sonnet as the architect and Haiku as the construction crew. That's where the real magic starts. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.